Hey everybody, I'm going to bring you along on a Trader Joe's haul today, and I have not done a Trader Joe's video in quite some time, and primarily that is because I have not gone to Trader Joe's in quite some time, but we decided to go today, and it's always fun to go in and see new stuff that they have. They have a lot of unique things, and sometimes they can have some really fun keto-friendly things, so I'm just gonna go through the store and kind of take a peek at what they have and bring you guys along. I happen to be bringing all of the children. Well, I say all of the children, and that's not counting my oldest, who is not a child anymore. I will be taking my 4 that are still children, so it'll be a fun time. It's not often that I go to the store with all the children anymore. Usually I can sneak away with just 1 or 2, or sometimes occasionally by myself, but this time we're gonna all go.
You smell like flies.
Excuse you, that is so rude.
Mom, don't you like how that Raja.
Oh, so many flowers for spring.
Oh, I didn't hear that. What?
Oh, those are pretty. Look at those. Those are so weird. Wow. They're so pretty. Those look good. Spinach and feta. They got some 5 carbs per serving. Not terrible. They have a lot of different marinated chicken. Let's see, 8 carbs. Oh, 1 carb pesto chicken breast. That looks good. 4 carbs. 10 carbs. 3 carbs for chicken thighs, 3 carbs for shawarma chicken. That sounds really good. Spatchcock lemon rosemary chicken. That looks really good too. 1 carb per serving. That's not bad. Several options up here for pre-made stuff. Sous vide chicken. 0 carbs. Seared in soybean oil. Cold chicken. Let's see. Less than 1 carb. That's not too bad. 4 carbs. Maple syrup.
Found it.
Oh, you did? Good.
It was above the juice.
Above the juice, okay. Nice. Ooh, this one's good. Beef sirloin, just salt and pepper. Wow.
I thought you saw it.
This looks really good. 2 carbs. Oh man, that looks super good. I'm gonna try that. Oh, there's another one. Asiago cheese dip. 2 carbs also. Yeah, we're gonna try those.
I found it.
You found it?
Hard glasses on.
Hard glasses.
It has glasses. Hey, it's like these.
You want some vegan pepperoni?
No, I don't want vegan pepperoni.
No?
What are they made out of?
I don't even know.
Plants?
Some kind of plants, yeah. Chimichurri sauce probably has. Oh no, wait, olive oil. Nice. I'm gonna get one of those, but I'm not gonna get the dented one.
Can you get some kombucha for me and Dad, Mom?
You want some kombucha?
Yeah, for me and
maybe.
you and Dad.
We'll look at it.
Yeah. Oh wait, no. Mom, the cat is white about the kombucha.
1 carb. No thanks. No thanks.
No, thank you.
Oh, this has rice. Chicken asada. Grilled chicken, poblano, peppers, onions.
Beef,
No
and
thanks.
there's sausageless sausage.
No thanks. Oh, 14 carbs on that one.
My sausageless sausage.
No thanks. I prefer my sausage to have sausage.
You guys see it when
I prefer my sausage to have sausage.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, these are good. I've gotten these before. Good,
Look
easy
closely.
meal.
Are they chickenless chicken
No,
meatballs?
they're actually chicken. Look, ingredients, chicken.
Oh my goodness.
2 carbs per serving. Still have these, and I still have not tried them. It's like cauliflower, cheese, and egg, basically. And they got some bigger ones for pizza. Black cherry vanilla sparkling water. That looks good. Pizza party potato chips. What? Joe's O's cereal bars. Deodorant. Lip mask. Dark chocolate pretzels. Mochi rice nuggets. Peanut butter baking chips. Those look good. Chocolatey dipping kit. Wow. Darjeeling tea. There's nothing keto on the new rack here today.
Peas and carrots, sour
my
gummy
goodness.
candies.
That's crazy.
They're so cute.
No. Lemon animal crackers. Caramel candy clusters. Yeah, nothing keto except the deodorant. And the lip mask, maybe.
Deodorant keto?
Well, it's low sugar, I assume. Riced cauliflower stir fry. It has maltodextrin, cornstarch, 7 total carbs per serving. Yeah, you can grab some. I don't know, like 8. Stir-fried garlicky cabbage. Cane sugar is an ingredient. Spicy Mexican riced cauliflower. 5 carbs per serving. Ingredients don't look too bad. It's pretty good. Alright, I think it was these ones I tried at one time. Maybe? And they were horrible. 100% do not recommend. Let's see, are these ones keto? This one's 1 gram of sugar. Maltitol. Ooh, this is different and new. Garlic tea and spicy. Garlic, salt, parsley. Interesting. Haven't seen that one before. I think all the rest of these I've seen before.
What in the back of it?
Egg bites. 6 carbs. I've been wishing for some blue cheese, so I think I'm going to grab some of that. Any other cheese we need? Alright, I think we got everything we needed. Or, found that we decided we were going to get. It's not that we needed it. So I think it's time to check out. We'll do a real quick haul here. I'm a sucker for the succulents. And I love them because they're hard to kill. So I had to get that. Not Renee. Levi wanted some kombucha, so I got the Peach Paradise. That's what he picked out. And then I also grabbed this water kefir. I used to make water kefir, but we haven't had it in a while, and my husband loves it, so I thought I'd grab this for him because it's not something you see very often. I grabbed the chimichurri sauce because amazingly it didn't have any junky oils. It was just olive oil, which is great. Got some blue cheese. I also thought some fresh mozzarella would be really good, so I got the little mozzarella balls. This looks so good. Roasted hatch chili and jalapeno cheese dip. Not sure yet what I'm going to have this with, what the dipping is going to be, but it looked really good. I grabbed a couple of the marinated chickens. I got the shawarma chicken thighs, and then I got the pesto chicken breast. I thought that would make a really easy couple of meals. Then I grabbed the garlic Asiago cheese dip that looked super good. Then the kids needed to stock up on gnocchi, the cauliflower gnocchi. It's I think cassava flour and cauliflower is what makes up the gnocchi. So it's not keto, but it's better than wheat. And then over here got some snacky things for the kids. Got some banana chips, and then a couple different kinds of plantain chips. They love the plantain chips here. So that kind, and then several of these because these are Levi's favorite. Talia has started making her own granola, and so she wanted some freeze-dried berries, so we got some blueberries and some strawberries for her granola. Is there anything else in here? last thing is some dried mango for the kids. The grand total that we spent at Trader Joe's today was $149.60. Here's a quick scan of the receipt if you wanted to see the price on anything. Thanks for going shopping with us today. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you again in the next video.